Your kiss tastes like whiskey, and I'm a drinker. You play with my heartstrings, and girl, I'm a singer. No, it ain't no joke. You're a smoke show, and I'm a Marlboro man. When I'm holding your hand, you're a wild card. I'm a gambler. I was going nowhere. You wrecked my plan, girl. I got a problem, but what a damn good problem to have. Yeah, I was a two-stepping Lone Ranger. You got my wild side headed for danger. Yeah, you got me dancing around the kitchen, down the hall and up the stairs. I swear I ain't got a prayer. Your kiss tastes like whiskey, and I'm a drinker. You play with my heartstrings, and girl, I'm a singer. No, it ain't no joke. You're a smoke show, and I'm a Marlboro man. When I'm holding your hand, you're a wild card. I'm a gambler. I was going nowhere. You wrecked my plan, girl. I got a problem, but what a damn good problem to have. When a guy like me can't get enough, just swinging on the front porch, hooked on your love, baby. Your kiss tastes like whiskey. I'm a drinker. You play with my heartstrings, and girl, I'm a singer. No, it ain't no joke. You're a smoke show, and I'm a Marlboro man. When I'm holding your hand, you're a wild card. I'm a gambler, and I was going nowhere. You wrecked my plan, girl. I got a problem, but what a damn good problem to have. Damn good problem to have.
Let's learn I Got a Problem. It's choreographed by Amund Storsveen. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with 1 restart on wall 6 after 24 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where the restart happens and what the ending is, and then we're going to go around and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn I Got a Problem. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the side, step our left foot next to our right, taking weight onto our left foot, and we're going to do a right chasse, stepping our right side, left together, right side. Cross rock your left over your right, recover back onto the right, and do a left side chasse, left side, right together, left side. Let's try that with some counts, stepping to the side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to cross our right over our left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder. You're going to start by making a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the side, step your left foot next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right to face 9 o'clock. We're going to rock forward with our left, recover onto our right, and we're going to do a coaster cross, stepping our left foot back, right together, and cross your left over your right. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, we're crossing over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to weave right behind left side, right cross. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a quarter sailor step, turning over our left shoulder, make a quarter turn, stepping back with your left, step your right foot to the side, and we're going to step our left foot to the side, but slightly forward. Let's try that with some counts. Left is crossed over right. We're rocking our right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to step forward with our right. We're going to make a quarter pivot over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot. We're now facing 3 o'clock. You're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. We're now facing 12 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. And we're going to rock our right foot back and recover onto your left to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. Right now, weight is on our left. You're doing your quarter pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping our right foot to the side. Side together, side chassé, cross rock, recover, side chassé. Cross quarter back, half shuffle, rock, recover, coaster cross. Side rock, recover, weave. Side or rock, recover, quarter sailor step. Step, quarter pivot, cross quarter back, half forward, quarter side, rock back, recover. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now the restart's going to happen on wall 6. That is our 3 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance the first 24 counts of the dance. So our weight is on our left foot. We're going to dance up to those 24 counts so we can see where that restart happens. Stepping your right foot to the side, side together, side chassé, cross rock, recover, side chassé. Cross quarter back, half shuffle, rock, recover, coaster cross. Side rock, recover, behind side, cross side, rock, recover, quarter sailor step. Right here, you are now going to restart the dance. This will become wall 7. You will dance wall 7 all the way through, starting with your side together, side chassé. We'll then dance wall 8, and wall 9 is our 3 o'clock facing wall. It is our last wall. So we're going to dance the first 6 counts, and then we're going to change our chassé that we would do to the left to face the front. So you're going to step your right foot side, left together, and then do a chassé to the right, right together, right. We're going to cross, rock, recover. Now we're going to do that chassé, but we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder. So we're going to step our left foot to the side, right foot together. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot, and then step your right foot slightly forward to end the dance. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We are going to dance through the restart and the one that follows it, just so that you can practice how that restart happens. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping to the side. Side together, side chassé, cross rock, recover, side chassé. Cross quarter back in your half shuffle, rock, recover, coaster cross. Side rock and weave. Side rock, quarter sailor, step. Step, quarter pivot. Cross quarter back, half forward, quarter side. Rock back, recover, side together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side together, side chassé. Cross rock, recover, side chassé. Cross quarter back, half shuffle. Rock, recover, coaster cross, side rock and weave. Rock, recover, behind side, cross rock and quarter sailor step. Step, quarter pivot. Cross quarter back, half forward, quarter side. Rock back, recover, side together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side together, side chassé. Cross rock, recover, side chassé. Cross quarter back, half shuffle. Rock, recover, coaster cross. Now side rock and weave. Rock, recover, behind side, cross side, rock, quarter sailor step. Step, quarter pivot. Cross quarter back, half forward, quarter side, rock back, recover, 24 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn I Got a Problem. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.